Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Windows update is failing and displaying error code 0x80070490, it means the System Components Store or component-based servicing files are corrupted. I will show you exactly how to repair these deep system files and restore your updates right now. Let's get started. First, Windows has an automated tool specifically dedicated to resolving these update glitches. Open your Windows settings, select System, and click Troubleshoot from the left menu. Click on Additional Troubleshooters, select the Windows Update option, and click Run the Troubleshooter to allow the system to automatically detect and apply fixes. Next, we need to manually repair the component store corruption that triggers this specific error. Press the Windows key, type CMD, and open the command prompt with administrative privileges. Type SFC /scannow and press Enter to scan for broken system files. Once completed, type DISM /online /cleanup-image /restore health and hit Enter. This command forces Windows to fix deeper problems within the component store. Finally, if the error persists, the background update services might be frozen and need a hard reset. In that same administrative command prompt window, type net stop WUAUSERV and hit Enter to halt the update service. Once stopped, type net start WUAUSERV and press Enter to start it fresh. Restart your computer and try running Windows Update again. It should now download normally. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.